The Bauhaus was an art school that opened in Germany. He really created a language of aesthetics that we believe is universal, and certainly they did, that we still use today. We don't really play with garnishes, of course, Bauhaus being very linked to minimalism and functionalism. We tend to want to express a artistic impulse through the use of ice. Let's start with the yogurt. I take equal weight of yogurt, so as I said, fresh, organic, British peach yogurt. Once you're there, you can actually just use the coffee filter and wait a little bit. First day as a bartender, I'm being asked to make a lemonade. I should consider sugar, acidity, water, but what about the way the lemon is expressed? My name is Remy Savage, and welcome to my clan.